Hello dear students, welcome to geography class, chapter number 2, land, rocks and minerals. Here it's for chapter number 2, okay. So for class 7th, part 4. So before part, means previous part we have completed difficult words from this chapter. So difficult words are completed. So next, see here today I am explaining about this lesson. Land, rocks and minerals. So we are learning about this chapter, Earth's interior and rocks, formation of rocks and types of rocks. These all concepts we are learning today's class. It's a land, rocks and minerals. So before I starting this chapter, I am explaining about introduction part. In previous part we have completed some our environment. Our environment is divided by some layers. We know that lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere and biosphere. These all include in Earth's surface. And today we will learning about this chapter, Earth's interior. See student, Earth it is almost all spherical in shape. Earth is spherical in shape. And its radius is about 6,378 kilometer, about the Earth's radius. How much radius is there? 6,378 kilometer radius of the Earth. And see here student, the Earth's interior is divided into so many layers. So we know that egg. See here, it is a spherical in shape. That shape is there, the Earth's surface, means the Earth's shape is like this. We know that in egg also you can see here, so many layers are there here. Okay, some uppermost layer, so this color is white in color, okay, and it is a very thick, it is a shell, okay, and inside of this shell it presents that yellow ball, okay. So this yellow ball present in an egg, so we call this yolk. Like this only our interior present, okay. See here, like this our Earth's shape, it is a spherical in shape, okay, and our Earth is 378 kilometer its radius. The Earth divided into some distinctive layers. That layers are there: crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. First layer is crust, second one mantle, third one outer core and next one inner core. See student, some next one, structure of Earth's interior. So next let us start structures of Earth's interior. It is the interior part, okay. So Earth's uppermost part of layer is crust. It is made up of rocks. Totally the Earth layer is, interior layer is 2,900 kilometer. The Earth's interior, it's covered by 2,900 kilometer. And it is this part is crust. We call that lithosphere. It is the outermost part of the earth. Okay, the crust, it is made up of rocks. It is made up of rocks and minerals. And after this layer, below the crust, so next layer is mantle. This mantle layer, it surrounds in interior, Earth's interior, 2,300 kilometer. 2,300 kilometer, the mantle layers surrounds in the earth below the crust. The mantle layer is liquid state. The mantle layer is liquid in state. Okay, and next layer is there here, core. This core layer, it's covered by 1200 kilometer. It's a core interior. It's covered by 1200 kilometer. It's occurred. So the core is divided into two parts, two layers, outer core and inner core. Outer core and inner core. This outer core is a solid in liquid in state and inner core is solid in state. The outer core, it is made up of nickel and iron. It is made up of nickel and iron. And inner core is made up of iron. So it is in solid state and outer core is in liquid state. Okay, student, it is about Earth's interior. We know that Earth's radius, how much radius is there? Earth's radius 6,378 kilometer. And Earth's interior, it covered that 2,900 kilometer. And it divided by some distinctive layers, the earth interior. That layers are there. First one is crust. Below the crust, mantle. Below the mantle, outer core and inner core. The crust is made up of rocks and minerals. And mantle, it is in liquid in state. This layer is covered here 2,300 kilometer and outer core is liquid in state and inner core is solid in state. These both layers covered in 1200 kilometer in below the mantle. And outer core, it's made up of nickel and iron. And inner core, it is present, means it is made up of iron. So it is about Earth's interior. It is the structure of the earth and it is the interior parts of the earth. And next you can see here, student, some continental crust and oceanic crust. It's a crust. It is the uppermost part of layer. Okay, and see here some continents and oceans are present here. Some continent, it is a continental crust. These are the continents, and it is oceans. These are the oceanic crust. Some continent, so the earth is a different distinctive layers, right? Some they have their own characteristics. That layers, outermost layer called crust, and the thinnest layer is made up of hard crystalline rocks. Thinner layer is made up of hard crystalline rocks. And the upper crust, it is made up of that continents. So it is continents, some uppermost is called that CL. CL means it is the continent place, it is the continental crust. And SEMA means it is an oceanic crust. Here present water. Deep in the ocean, some oceanic crust present there. In deep on the sea or oceans, we have seen there crust, that is oceanic crust. And in the continents, some land is covered, that it called that CL means continental crust. Seema means oceanic crust. CL means what? Continental crust. Seema means oceanic crust. And here CL means continental crust. So it is 35 to 70 kilometer thick. And Seema, it is oceanic crust. It is 5 to 10 kilometer thick. 5 to 10 kilometer thick. Okay, student, it is about structure of the earth and continental crust and oceanic crust. Okay, student, in today's topic completed here part 4. But what you have learnt in today's part? You have learnt about Earth's interior. Our Earth is covered by how much radius? 6,378 kilometer. And the Earth's interior is divided into many layers. That layers are there: crust, mantle and core. So crust, it is made up of crystalline rocks. And below the crust, mantle is covered 2,300 kilometer. It is in liquid state. Below the mantle, core is present. The core is surrounded by 1,200 kilometer. And here, this core is divided into two layers: outer core and inner core. The outer core is liquid in state. It is made up of nickel and iron. And inner core, it is solid in state. It is made up of iron. It is about the structure of the interior. And after Earth, also we have learnt in today's class continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust, it is we call that CL. The crust is made up of rocks, crystalline rocks. And it is formed by that CL. CL means continental crust. And Seema means oceanic crust. In below the ocean or below the sea, it is made up of, the land is made up of their crust. There is not present water. It is a crust. Okay. So that we call Seema. There are thick layers are present in our earth surface. Some CL, it is a continental crust. This continental crust is 35 to 70 kilometer thick. And Seema, it is a 5 to 10 kilometer thick in the oceanic crust. Okay, student, I hope today's class you all are understood. So you also draw it this slide and make the points correctly. After completing your homework, send it my WhatsApp number. Okay? So today's class completed here, and next part I am continuing in next class. Thank you.